Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Mukesh. I'm working as a managing director and CEO for House Seekers India Private Limited. I would like to welcome all of you for joining this webinar. I hope you all are safe at home with your all family members. Thank you for taking time out and being here today. Before moving, I would like to introduce our keynote speakers, Mr. Piyush, heading sales and marketing at Shake Group. Welcome, Mr. Piyush.
Thank you so much for this opportunity.
And Mr. Umesh, he is a cluster head in sales at Shade Group. Welcome, Mr. Umesh.
Thank you, Mukesh bhai. We are very fortunate that you have given us this opportunity and arranged this webinar for all our customers. We will definitely give you the best possible investment opportunity.
Thank you so much. Without your presence, it is not possible. Thank you for giving your time. Thanks again. So before moving ahead, I want to introduce about my company, House Seekers, what House Seekers is doing and how House Seekers is assisting to all our customers to choose the right product at right time. So if I talk about House Seekers, we are international property consultant and working with all A-grade developers from past 3 years. We have our business spread across Mumbai, Delhi, and Pune. And right now we have more than 500 happy customers. Our aim is to enable home buyers to make the right choice at right time. And this is possible, and we are making it possible through our technology. So we are fastly growing technology-driven company also. We always wish to make home buying, real estate buying journey very simple and memorable for all our customers. And we achieve it by our end through assistance. Our valuable team of experts always guide to all our customers to make an intelligent and good choice when it comes to buying a real estate. We always provide right advice based on your requirement with the support of our algorithm, which is implemented in our software. At House Seekers, transparency is the key to foster a culture of trust and understanding with every buyer who walks in through our doors to seek our trusted services. Our thorough and meticulous process always minimizes the risk of investing in the wrong project, and we never charge any single rupees from our customers. This is brief about House Seekers and how we are assisting for all our customers to choose the right product and right time. So now this is the time to move forward. So Mr. Fish, we are in lockdown, right? So lockdown closed and unlock started. Again, we are in lockdown for 10 to 12 days, right? So there are many investors in the market and there are many buyers. And if we talk about real estate always on demand. If we compare with other investment options. So what you say, is this right time to invest in real estate? If you can share your views to with all our customers.
In terms of investment assets
yeah.
Sure. So in terms of investment classes that are available, which is stock market, gold, or real estate is the most stable investment asset that somebody can look at. There is an emotional need that somebody needs to buy a real estate, be it for an investment or for an upgrade or for an end use. While we talk about the timing of investment right now, this possibly is the best timing, considering the home loan rates are at 6.9% today. While we compare it with the other investment assets, gold is at about 50,000 rupees per 10 grams. Stock market is at about 36,000 rupees. So investing at such peak makes no investment sense there. Hence, with the kind of opportunities that the developers are presenting today, with the kind of sentiments that's there in the market, it's possibly one of the best times somebody can invest in real estate today. While I'll just possibly give a quick example, in 2006, 2007, when the economy was coming out of recession, I remember people had picked up real estate at really throwaway prices today, if I compare. Those numbers have actually gone 3 times today. Similar time frame is what I can compare this with. Pandemic doesn't happen every now and then. It possibly happens once in a century, and we pray it doesn't happen again. Hence giving us the liberty of, as an investor, that they get great deals on the table, they get a sense of achievement, and it's a portfolio bifurcation that they need to do to have real estate in their basket.
Yes, thank you so much, Mr. Piyush. I completely agree. If we talk about real estate is always on demand because this is the basic need for everyone, right? If we see roti, kapda and makan, ठीक है, तो एक रियल स्टेट एक ऐसा सेक्टर है, अगर हम कंपेयर करते हैं, यू राइटली सेड, शेयर मार्केट एंड अदर इन्वेस्टमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी. So real estate is contributing more if we compare other opportunities. Indian economy में real estate is playing very critical role. So I also want to show a few slides which I prepared for all of our customers. Why real estate is always on demand and why real estate is always right choice. So just allow me 1 minute. I am playing this. So are you able to see my screen, Mr.
Yes.
Okay. So rightly said by Mr. Piyush, yes, this is the right time, and I completely agree. And same thing, we are always guide to all of our customers. If any customer asks for me, yes, we should invest. So because why we should invest in real estate? Because it always gives ROI. If we compare the ROI with other sector, if we compare last 10 years, minimum 10% जो हमारा compound annual growth return rate है, this is minimum 10% in real estate, which is continuously given by real estate in the market, and always on low risk. Hamisha, if you are buying any real estate, if I talk about any commercial, if I talk about any residentials, well, always give some values. It never come down to zero. If we see the current situation of the market, like share markets, we don't know when our money will be zero. If I talk about dividend, so we always get rent in terms of consistent dividend. So rent always we get in real estate. It never becomes zero. Stability, because this is the basic need for everyone, right? If there is a businessman to run the business, we need office spaces. If we talk about residential, if there is end users, हमको safely रहने के लिए we require a home. So that's why real estate always be on demand, and it's every expert say buy the real estate today. Don't wait. Wait when real estate will grow. So if I go to next slide, right? So how real estate, because I picked it through a few sources from the internet, how real estate industry is contributing in Indian economy. Already explained by Mr. Piyush, because if we compare with other investment opportunity like gold, equity and mutual fund, ज़्यादातर लोग जो है we always invest, we always choose these options for investment. Gold, equity and mutual fund is contributing only 10% in Indian economy. If we compare real estate, how much real estate is contributing, it is 70%. Why it is 70%? Because every sector, अगर हम employees, number of employees are linked on real estate. अगर real estate, if we will not develop real estate, then there is lots of job. Most of the employees will be jobless. Architect, electronics company, every company is linked with real estate. That's the reason real estate all is contributing 70% in Indian economy. So if I go to next slide, by keeping the current situation of the market, we know COVID is spreading very fastly, and how, because till now we have not received the vaccine to cure COVID. How we can prevent from this COVID? By keeping social distancing. We have to keep distance and we have to use masks. This is the challenge for today, but yes, this is the solutions if we want to fight with COVID and we want to prevent ourselves from this virus. And another problem is cash flow, because if we talk about before lockdown, so there are many buyers in the market, they wanted to buy the property, but they hold it. But in the lockdown, when they are watching the opportunity and when they are listening, few developers came and giving good opportunities. So immediately, because if we want to buy the real estate, we need cash, right? But nowadays, if you see the opportunity in the market, काफी सारे developers they are giving good payment plans, they are giving flexibility. So because this is the need, to fulfill the need, So we are getting flexibility. So definitely we all are here to grab the opportunity. If we want to grab the opportunity, we have to resolve this issue. So hope I will expect from Mr. Umesh, definitely they will resolve the problem of today. And if anyone want to grab the opportunity, they can help by giving some good offers and good payment plans. So this is just graphical representations how real estate is contributing and why real estate always on demand and why real estate is golden opportunity always to invest. So my next question, because when I talk to my team and they always say, and when lockdown started, if you remember, lockdown started on 24th March, right? So when I was talking with my team members, so they was talking, ki, sir, how we will start because we are not allowed to go outside. How we will because इस real estate में क्या होता था, before lockdown we always meet with the customers, right? We show the site and our sales manager always explain to the customers. But when lockdown started, so team was asking, ki, sir, how we can give experience to all our customers, because there are many customers, they are saying ki, we will visit after the lockdown. So immediately we started giving virtual experience. So if you can explain how real estate industry is responding at this situation, then definitely it will help for all our investors, to all our customers to understand about the opportunity, and they can decide the right product at right time. Yes.
Yes, I'll possibly add one thing with your question here. The only thing that sells in real estate are possibly three things. One is location, one is the brand, and second and third is the opportunity. While what we are presenting here is one of the best locations that somebody can ever aspire to be in Thane for. So we call it as Thane's Platinum Belt. To enhance the customer's experience while the lockdown is there, we have actually gone digital. There is a digitour that's been made for all our projects, wherein customers sitting at home can experience all our projects, understand the views, understand the dimensions, understand how would the sample flat look like in case if it's a residential investment. In case if it's an office investment, how would the elevation of the building look like, the amenities, the kind of finishing that we'll be doing. We've kind of gone to the next level while we represent ourselves. So obviously, with digitization, it has become very easy for the customer to experience the product. Only for discussion, very serious customers, people who want to buy today, are the guys who are coming in on the table and having a conversation with us. So quality of conversation has improved, has drastically improved rather. While we maintain the safety at the site with social distancing, we allocate time. There are appointment schedules with the customers, and then we invite them at the site. So we're maintaining social distancing at the site when the offices are open, but without which we are up the game in terms of digitization, in terms of experience, in terms of experiencing. There's an e-brochure, audiovisual, digitour, everything that the customer needs. We have it right there for him.
Yes, if Mr. Piyush, if I talk, because when customers were at the home, so they were asking if I talk about house seekers, we have given we have given virtual presentations, one-to-one presentations to more than 3,000 customers. And our team has done great job and we are also getting feedback from all our customers. We never expected we will buy the real estate by this way in the future, right? So because if anyone is coming at the site, so definitely जिस हिसाब से virus है spread हो रहा है, कुछ ना कुछ तो खतरा हो सकता है if we are going outside. If we are sitting at home with our family members, अगर हम किसी भी real estate की बात करते हैं, चाहे in terms of commercial, चाहे आपका residential हो, कोई भी real estate हो, it's always attached with emotions. Right. This is not a decision of a single person. Real estate is always, if we want to real estate, it always decision of a family members, right? If complete family want to understand the project, so this is the medium we are giving complete 360-degree virtual experience to all our customers, and all customers are very happy. And they are not going outside, they are keeping social distancing, and they are taking decision, they are grabbing the opportunity. क्योंकि अगर लॉकडाउन नहीं होता तो अगर जैसे आपने बोला जो इंटरेस्ट रेट जो आज हमारा 6.99 पे वी आर सिटिंग ऑन इंटरेस्ट रेट, तो ये कभी आता ही नहीं. तो भी लोग buy करते 8%, 9% में, and people were buying. Now they are happy कि जब EMI amount इतना reduce हुआ, जिन लोगों ने before lockdown when they bought the property, now EMI is automatically reduced by 20,000, 30,000 if anyone bought a loan of 1 year. So now they are happy and they are understanding कि कितना opportunity है ये, ठीक है. So thank you so much for sharing your views. So now this is the time to understand, because we all are here to grab the investment opportunity. So now I will request to Mr. Umesh to explain about Shade Developer and how Shade Developer is doing, how Shade Developer is providing opportunity to all our customers, and what is the investment opportunity for today for all our customers. Yes, Mr. Umesh, please.
Yes, Mukesh ji. So there is a very famous saying, don't wait to buy real estate, buy real estate and wait. And this is a time when actually it has given us the opportunity back, with rate of interest being at lowest. And I feel if somebody is able to grab this opportunity, it's a golden time for them. Coming on the opportunity which we'll be showcasing, that is a Shade Synergy. Before going on Shade Synergy, we will discuss about Ashwin Shade Group and our portfolios across the region. Mukesh ji, next. So if I speak about Ashwin Shade Group, we are present in this market from last 30 years, and we have changed the skyline of Mumbai city and Thane city, and we have also delivered projects in international market, that is in Dubai. So presently we have 7 ongoing projects in Western Mumbai, Central Mumbai, and the Thane belt. We have completed almost 15 million square feet of work, around which 5 million square feet of work is under construction right now, which we are delivering it in phase wise. We have been in this market we are present in this market from quite a long time, and we have delivered some skyscraper projects like Biomont Tower, Vasant Galaxy, Vasant Launch, you can consider, Shade Synergy, Prabha Devi as a project. We have changed the retail outlook of Thane as a city. We have delivered 1.6 million square feet, the huge biggest Viviana Mall in Thane city. So that's become a very big social hub in Thane. Speaking about the commercial deliverables, we have completed 2 commercial projects in domestic market with the name of Shade Synergy Prabha Devi, and we have completed Shade Sigma also in the same vicinity in Dadar. Presently, we have ongoing commercial projects in Thane, and we also have a pipeline projects coming up in the Western Mumbai. So we as a brand, we believe in 2 major qualities. So our brand is completely focused on delivering quality projects, and we believe in giving you something unique in each of our projects. So if I speak, when we move further, we'll be speaking in detail about the projects which we have delivered. So this is the Shade Synergy Prabha Devi, meticulously designed project. When we started this project, our clear focus was to deliver a masterclass business center, a ultra luxury business center to Mumbai. So this is a house for many corporate biggest brands presently who have big offices in a particular project. Some of the big brands names which I would like to mention is ICICI Prudential is there. JB Chemicals is part of our group. You can consider then there is Sargent Group, SAPL Industries, JM Financial also has an office space. Australia and New Zealand Bank has an office space. It's a 8-story meticulously designed commercial plus IT park. Location being one of the biggest highlight, and lot of focus was given on the quality deliverables. So it has got state-of-art amenities which are technologically driven. Considering this project, we would just like to show you a glimpse of Shade Synergy. Mukesh ji, next.
Can I play it?
Yes.
Okay.
Videos are cool.
Which I think we'll continue the conversation at least.
Okay. Okay. So considering Shade, so we wanted to continue this legacy of Shade Synergy, and we decided why not to come up with a commercial which has similar qualities, and we are able to deliver that same in the Thane city. So Thane presently has, you can consider certain unorganized commercials which are available in Thane. So we decided why not to give a premium commercial office space to Thane city. So Thane presently, you can consider we are very strongly present in the Thane market at Thane's Platinum Belt, which is you can consider at the Eastern Express Highway. So Eastern Express Highway, we had acquired a 60 acres of land parcel from Voltas, and we decided to change the skyline of Thane as a city. So we came up with the concept, why not to give Thane city not only the residential projects, we also decided to deliver a fantastic biggest mall in Thane. And now we have decided to change the skyline of Thane once again with the commercial office space. So the commercial office space which we'll be delivering will be the premium commercial office space. Why I'm mentioning about premium commercial office space, we'll further discuss in detail. So yes, Mukeshji, you can show the video of the
Yes,
synergy
sorry,
project.
sorry for
No issue, no issue.
inconvenience. I, okay, I'm playing it. Sorry. Yes. Yes, thank you for watching this video.
So this is the Thane's Platinum Belt. This is a 60 acres land parcel. If you see the change in skyline, we were the first one to use My1 technology in Vasant launch. It's a super luxury project. I would say top niche of Thane are having their residential address in this particular project. We also have a 5.5 acres ongoing project which we are delivering in next to Viviana Mall, that is Shade Avalon. It's an ultra luxury project where we have luxurious 2, 2.5, 3, 4, and 5 BHK apartments, out of which 5 towers are already at the deliverable stage, and we have delivered 4 towers before the lockdown, and 1 tower we'll be delivering it in next 1 month's time. We also have Shade Zuri as a project on this particular Thane's belt, which is the most aspired residential project you can consider, which has a 1 BHK apartment, compact 2 BHK, 2 BHK, and a 3 BHK apartment at a very competitive pricing, I would say. Everybody today, I would say, has visited Viviana Mall. Whoever are the participants out here, I would say not only once, people have would have visited Viviana Mall multiple times, and it has changed the skyline of the Thane city. At the same belt, we plan to come up with the commercial also. So we'll showcase the exact location just further. So this is the video of Shade Synergy.
I think Mukeshji video is taking a lot of time, so we can possibly run through the presentation.
Sorry, Mr. Piyush.
I think we can skip the video because it's taking a lot of time to buffer.
Okay.
I think there is a network issue. So no problem. We'll just try to.
Now it's clear. Slide is clear.
It's slightly blurred.
Just I am stopping the screen and sharing it again.
Yes, yes.
Now it's clear. Umesh, it's clear.
Sir, slightly blurred है.
Okay.
सर कोई बात नहीं, आप कंटिन्यू करो. आप
which
कंटिन्यू
I'm
करो
getting.
सर, आप कंटिन्यू करो. मैं आई हैव द पीपीटी. आई विल ट्राई टू शेयर दैट.
Yes. Yes, Umesh ji, are you able to see my screen?
Sir, it is blurred. Just 1 second. One second.
Mukesh ji, let me run through the screen.
Okay, I am making you host.
Sure.
Can you play screen? Can you play presentations, Mr. Umesh, on your laptop?
I can. You have disabled the participant screening sharing, so possibly we'll have to do that.
Yes, Piyush ji, you can share the screen now. Press the F5 button on your laptop. F5.
Umesh, better?
Yes.
Sure.
So one of the biggest advantage of Shade Synergy is its location. It is right at the Majiwada Junction. Majiwada Junction is the heart of Thane city. The connectivity and the accessibility from this particular point is the strongest, I would say. If you would like to travel to the Eastern Express Highway, to the central suburbs of Ghatkopar or CST, there's a great connectivity. If you would like to go to the Bhiwandi side, you are at the junction. And if you would like to travel to western suburbs also via Gord Bandar, it is quite strong in terms of connectivity. So this particular project is coming right at the junction of Majiwada. In terms of the future infra developments also, it provides a great accessibility. If you see the elevation of the particular project, we have done a lot of focus. We have given a lot of focus on the architectural designing. So it has got a glass facade building, and these glass facade buildings are having sophisticated double glaze effect, which will reduce the heat as well as the sound. Even if I speak about if you see the ground floor has the finest retail, which we will be coming up. So we'll discuss in terms of when we come on the floor plans, we'll discuss about the shop areas and the height of the particular unit size. So biggest advantage why you should buy a Shade Synergy is you can very easily commute from this particular place. Second thing is we will be giving you state of art amenities in this particular project. Our clear focus is to deliver a premium commercial in this Thane belt, which is missing right now in this particular Thane belt. Next, Piyush. So once we enter the project, it will have a grand entrance lobby. So there is a drop-off point. At the ground level itself, we also have a grand cafe, a perfect place to de-stress yourself, revitalize your mind. So that's there. We'll be doing a tie-up with some particular brand, a cafeteria brand, with who are able to serve us better. I would like to please show the lobby once again. So if I speak about the entrance lobby is spread across 1500 square feet. It is a double-heighted entrance lobby, and it is an air-conditioned entrance lobby. We are giving we are doing a tie-up with property management services companies like JLL, who will be managing the entire show. Even we are providing a fully secured environment. This will definitely ensure your well-being is taken care in this particular office. We are also focusing on the fit and finish of the product. So anybody coming and visiting your office will definitely have a very positive it will create a positive impression. So as you enter the lobby, there will be high-speed lifts at the first level of the lobby. We also have a canteen, so you don't need a separate pantry in this commercial office unit, which you will be using. Next. So as the elevation has a glass facade building, it will have an unobstructed view of the cityscape. So it will not block the entire view. We have ample of car park space. So around more than 250 car parking spaces we have, which will ensure even if your guest is coming to this particular project, they get a parking slot easily available. And at few 50 meters away, we have also come up with a 10 level parking plaza, which we are delivering it to TMC. If again, speaking about the triple heighted landscape area, we'll further in the slides, we will discuss about that. Flexible floor space options are available. So entire floor, we will discuss in detail about the floor plans in the further slides. So yes, so if you would like to do a brainstorming session at terrace, if you would like to just stroll after the lunch time, or if you would like to have an evening outing with your colleagues, you can definitely just go on the terrace area where we have a casual seating option available, which will be freely accessible at all times. And we have soothing elements like landscaping at the terrace also. This terrace is spread across 14,400 square feet. Next. At every third floor, we will be having a landscape area. Again, this will be available on the refuge floors, that is first, fifth, eighth, and 11th. When we discuss in the floor plans, I will again highlight this particular point. But if you see this refuge area, it has when we see the building from the outer structure, you'll be able to see a vertical garden in this particular corner. You also have a sit-out space, again soothing elements to de-stress yourself during the office hours. Next. Again, connectivity has been, it's a biggest point. Location is one most important point for any business to grow. So we being very closer to the metro station. So on this Thane's Platinum Belt, we have two metro stations. One is the Majivada metro station, which will be right outside the project. And then there is a second exit at the Cadbury Junction also, which is next to our Shade Zuri project. Thane's railway station is just 6 kilometers away from this particular project. Socializing avenues like Viviana Mall is just 750 meters. It's a walkable distance. Coram Mall is also close by, and R Mall is close by. If somebody would like to travel to International Airport, it will take 30 minutes from the JVLR. If somebody would like to travel to BKC, it will take around, again, 30 minutes via, you can consider SCLR. So connectivity is the strongest point for this particular project. Next. So coming on the floor plans, this is a typical floor plan. As mentioned earlier, you can customize and maximize this space as per your requirement. So entire floor plate is of 10,000 square feet. We have 15 office spaces on each floor. These office spaces are ranging from 571 carpet area to 892 carpet area. Just to give a brief idea, so the front building will have, front view will have 9 office spaces, which are from office number 4 to office number 12. Office number 1, 2, and 3, 15, 14, and 13 will be on the back side. Again, both the sides have unobstructed view. The areas which you see, the services areas which are mentioned on this particular floor plan, there we'll be giving you the slots for AC compressors. So you don't have to keep AC compressor outside your office unit. We have a dedicated space, and we'll be also giving you a concealed provisions for your AC fittings. Refuge area will be available on 1st, 5th, 8th, and 11th floor. These are self-contained units. Each unit has a toilet attached to it, and a common toilet is there for male, female separately, which can be accessible by guests or servants on each floor. Uh, there are 3 high-speed lifts, top brand lifts we'll be providing you, and one of the lift is the service lift, which we'll be providing. Just to give you a brief, what kind of sizes are these? So if I speak about office number 15, office number 15 is 571 square feet. The length of the office is around 40 square feet, and the width is around 14 square feet. So very nice setup can come up in terms of if you would like to have a conference hall, a managing director's cabin, a workstation. So very comfortably, 15 to 20 workstations can accommodate in this particular kind of a layout. If you see, there are very less pillars. So if you would like to merge certain units, we have multiple clients who have bought a Jodi or 4 units together. So you can maximize the space. So maximizing the space means you can probably, if you need an office space of 1100 square feet, we have that option. If you need an office space of 1800 square feet, yes, we can merge it and we can definitely deliver you that particular. Next. So again, this is the floor plan for a non-refuge floor. It remains the same. One point I would like to highlight, which is one of the crucial points, the height of this office space is 3.75 meters. So floor to ceiling height is also approximately 13 feet in terms of height, which is a good height for the office space. Next. So this is a typical floor plan for the ground floor. So ground floor has a finest retail, which we will be coming up. Presently, we are not selling the shops. We will be selling it in the next phase of the selling. These shops are also having a height of 8.4 meters, almost 28 feet height, with a mezzanine floor. If you see, there is a canteen provision also at this particular level, which we had discussed earlier. So you need not make a pantry separately in your office. Definitely, you can visit the canteen or a grand cafeteria, which we have it at the ground floor, and a terrace also, which is accessible. Very important point is how Thane has changed and how Thane will be changing. So we have seen Thane, the city of lakes, changing and attracting many new buyers. We have also seen corporates getting attracted to this particular location, like TCS has their office right now. Aditya Birla Financial has their office right now. Bayer Corp has office in Thane city. So location has attracted many corporates, new first-time buyers, because of the very structured, growing, a better infrastructure development which has happened in Thane. Thane not only has a better transportation, but it also has a better water supply option, sewage facilities, or electricity. So these are some certain important factors which helps the infrastructure of the entire city to develop. It's a very planned city comparative to the Mumbai city. We have seen Thane growing in last 10 years. There have been multiple residential projects getting delivered. Around 6 hyper malls are there. Around 50 hospitals are there. 60 schools are there. So these all infrastructure developments will definitely give a boost to commercial. So we have seen commercial emerging as a market very. It will emerge in a much faster pace also right now. And certain projects like infra projects which are coming up in this Thane city is there is a 7-kilometer elevated freeway which is planned by TMC already on this Eastern Express Highway. Then there is a Metro Line 4 which will be connecting Thane, Kasaragod to Wadala. There is a Metro Line 5 which will be connecting Thane, Bhiwandi and Kalyan. So there are many, you can consider business hubs in Bhiwandi that will become very accessible. So these kind of infra will definitely give a boost, and it will attract people to come at the base of Thane as a location. There is a ferry service which is again started in phase wise. There is a first phase which is already in process, which is connecting Kalyan, Vasai and Thane. There is a second phase of ferry service which will be connecting Thane to South Mumbai, that is a gateway of India directly. We are expecting a ridership of around 10,000 ridership on daily basis. There is third phase, which is expected connecting Thane to Navi Mumbai. Again, there will be 20,000 ridership on a daily basis. So these infrastructure projects will definitely give a big boost. Then there is a Kopri Bridge expansion. Kopri Bridge connects Thane to Mumbai via Eastern Express Highway. So presently there are 2 lanes. There are 2 more lanes getting added up on both the sides. So there will be total 6 lanes Kopri Bridge. Again, this will decongest the traffic areas. Another biggest you can consider the infrastructure development is the tunnel service. Tunnel service, I am just waiting for this particular service because this connects Thane to Borivali, and this will connect Thane to Borivali in 15 minutes, and it will save a lot of time because I reside in Borivali and I'm just waiting for this project to get completed. So definitely it will give a boost. Why I'm highlighting these connectivity points is definitely you will have an employee who will be traveling from a particular location X and would like to reach to Thane. So they will definitely look at the connectivity, how very easily you can reach to this particular shared synergy project. Even your customers, clientele, they will look at this particular option, how feasible, accessible is your particular office space. And then there is a Vitava bypass also. So that will be connecting again Thane to Belapur. So this will give a great boost to the people staying in Vitava area. So why Thane? Yes, Thane has seen residential development. Thane is the viable option right now in terms of the commercial office space. We have seen when there was when office spaces were getting developed, Nariman Point was one of the biggest hubs. Then there was a change in approach. People thought the Churchgate is quite far. Why not to come up with a new business hub at BKC? And then there was a slight change. People started looking at the central side of Mumbai, where Ghatkopar, Powai got a boost. And then Thane is now become the wisest choice because of the location. It is connecting Navi Mumbai, it is connecting Nashik, it is connecting all parts of Mumbai. It's a center point, and even it's a viable option in terms of buying and acquiring, and also it should give you a good rental yield or an investment appreciation opportunity. So next. So yes, there in terms of commercial development, if I speak about, if there is so much development happening in terms of residential malls, it is definitely going to attract commercial opportunities because people right now, as we are in this lockdown, we are preferring everything should be close by to our. You can consider whether it is my office. If my office is just close by, I can definitely walk and reach my office. But presently, because of this lockdown, we are unable to do it. Thane will definitely give you an opportunity in terms of appreciation. We will definitely discuss what kind of appreciation you can expect from Shared Synergy as the project, and what kind of rental yield or rental amount every month which you will be able to achieve. We will discuss in the further slides. So as an investment, what we have seen in commercial, not only investors or the corporate houses who are getting attracted by putting money. Now we have seen people who are planning to buy a second home are also planning to, instead of putting their money in to buy a second home, they prefer to buy a commercial opportunity because it is giving them a better rental yield. A residential property, if you buy of 1.5 lakhs and put it on a rent, will give you a rental of around 30,000 rupees, which will be around 1.5 to 2%. Whereas if you put that same 1.5 lakh rupees in a commercial opportunity, that will give you a rental yield of around 6.5 to 7%. So again, the appreciation power of this particular project, Shared Synergy, I expect appreciation by the time we deliver this particular project. So if you see this elevation, there are 2 levels of car parking. There is a retail at the ground, and the entire elevation presently phase wise, we will be delivering this project. In phase 1, we have registered under RERA 11 story, and probably we'll be extending 2 or 3 story more, which will be in the phase 2. So phase 1 will get delivered by, you can consider The RERA date is December 22, but we'll be able to deliver this particular project by June, July 22. Coming on the payment plan. So the payment plan for this particular project which we plan is 10, 20, 30, 40. It's an exclusive payment plan for all the house seeker customers. Presently, if you come down with the team of house seeker, we'll be able to give you this flexible payment scheme. As Mukesh ji had earlier mentioned about how to solve this problem of immediate cash flow. So we decided why not to give the flexibility to the customer with minimum down payment. So if you buy a RERA carpet of 571, the unit cost that's with one kappa is 1 crore 38 lakhs. On commercial property, there is a GST which is chargeable of around 12%, but we'll be giving you a GST passback of 4.5% upfront. So net effective GST which you will be paying or will be applicable to your particular unit will be 7.5%. So unit cost with one car park is 1 crore 38 lakhs. GST passback is 6 lakh 32,000. Final agreement value will be 1 crore 32 lakhs. So this is an agreement value. Over and above this, there will be government taxes, that is stamp duty, registration, and the GST component. And there are some small other charges which will be applicable to this particular unit. On booking, you just need to pay a 10% of the booking amount. 10% of 1 crore 32 lakhs is only 13 lakh rupees you have to pay at the time of booking. Your next payment will directly come at the plinth. Right now, in terms of completion of work, we have completed the excavation. We have almost we are doing the foundation work right now, which we'll be completing it very soon in probably a month's time. As this project has 2 levels of basement, so once we complete the 2 levels of basement, there will be this next demand which will be coming of plinth. That will be of 20%. So 20% amount is 26 lakh 45,000. So that is the amount which you will be paying approximately after 6 to 7 months from now onwards. Then there is a 30% slab which will be coming at the time of once we complete the 5th slab. Again, it will take around 7 to 8 months time for completion of 5th slab. So you need to keep 39 lakhs arranged at that moment of time. Consider if you would like to opt for a bank loan also. So if you opt for a 39 lakh rupees bank loan, you will be paying a pre-EMI of around 35 to 36,000 rupees, which is a quite small amount. And that will be again, you can consider it will come in effect probably by next July or August. Then further 40% we have divided in 2 slabs. On completion of 10 slab, you need to pay 20%. And directly on possession, you need to pay more 20%. This is how we'll be completing the entire 100% of the payment. Government taxes and the other charges will be applicable as per the schedule. So consider if you pay a 10% upfront amount of 132, there is a GST which is applicable of around 1,58,000 rupees, which will get added up to this particular amount. So this is a brief cost sheet for all the units. So if you buy 571 as a carpet area, the unit cost is 1 crore 38 lakhs, and all inclusive price for this particular unit will go up to 1.59 CR. And we have an exclusive offer also. So consider if you book this particular unit in next 7 days time or 10 days time maximum, by showing the Zoom call details, we have done tie-up with house seekers for an exclusive offer. We'll be giving you a upfront discount of 3 lakh rupees if you come up if you show the Zoom call details to us, and we'll be giving you this particular unit at 156.88 if you go for a 571 carpet area. So we have different ranges of carpet area. 571 is the lowest carpet area. In 600, we have multiple range: 609, 604, 633, 639, 657 as a carpet area. So if you opt for any of these, it will range from 168 to 176 CR all inclusive price. If you want a bigger office spaces, we can combine. We have 892 as an office unit. That's the biggest office unit. You can have a combination of 892 or 892 plus 725 as a carpet area. So biggest carpet area will cost you 2.43 CR all in price. So this is about the project. If you have any queries about the project, please do let us know in the question and answer section. We will definitely guide you, and
Yes.
we are extremely sorry. There was some technical error, so we had to somehow manage the errors.
Yes, thank you so much, Mr. Umesh, to explain about the opportunity and the offers for all our customers. And the extra benefit you have given for all our customers, that is 3 lakh rupees
Yes, sir.
price, which you have explained for. Thank you so much for this giving lucrative offers for all our customers. And the process, I want to explain to all our customers, the process of grabbing this discount. If you want, if you are interested, our sales team will contact with you. Yeah, you can also contact with our sales team. You have to show the invitations which you already received from all our. Sorry, my video is not on. You have to show show the invitation which you already received on your email ID. Once you will show, automatically you will get the discount of 3 lakhs more. If I am wrong, you can correct me, Umesh and Mr. Piyush.
No, sir. We are with
So,
you, sir. We will
so this is the benefit, and now this is the time to answer, because we have received a couple of questions from our customer side, right? So one question is coming, Mr. Umesh, his name is Mr. Rahul. He's from Dubai. So he's asking, he already given token amount on refundable basis in residential project, because he want to invest and he's looking for good ROI. So he wants to understand what is the location advantage of this commercial project. If you can explain to Mr. Rahul, then definitely, because he's in Dubai, he want to understand.
Correct. Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Rahul. I would just like to highlight, we'll share the location again, location map also, and discuss in detail. This project is at the bang-on location of Thane as a city, at Majivada as a junction. So connectivity wise, it adds a lot of value if you would like to travel to any part of Mumbai. And Thane is wide. Thane has, you can consider in terms of the range, it's a wider range. We call Daisar Mira Road area also as a Thane, and a complete Thane city is complete at different location. So Thane will definitely, with this infrastructure developments, the points which I had highlighted, it will definitely add value in terms of appreciation. I will tell you, upfront appreciation we are expecting is 25 to 30% from the price what we have quoted you right now. And presently the rental what is going on in this particular market is 120 rupees on the carpet area, which is presently in a normal unorganized commercial units which are available in Thane. We expect 150 to 160 rupees as a rental income per square feet carpet area. Consider if you are buying a 571 carpet area, the rental income will be 85,000 rupees per month, a yearly income of 10,20,000 rupees on an investment of 1,59,000 rupees is a rental yield of 6.5%. This is what we will be. We are very sure. The confidence which I am showing you, I am very sure I will be delivering that, and we have delivered a range of projects in this particular region. We have delivered Avalon right now. Just to give you an example, we have a retail outlets at Avalon also. People who have bought have doubled their money. People who have bought in Vasant Lawns have tripled their money. Rental income in Avalon, if I speak about, is 450 rupees per square feet. This is for the retail outlets which are at the ground level. So opportunity is very strong because of the location. As correctly said, Mukeshji, location adds a lot of value to it.
Right. You are completely right. And one more question is coming from Priya, Miss Priya side. She's asking कि जो local metro stations है, what is the name of nearest metro station upcoming?
Majivada metro station.
माजीवाड़ा, तो कितना डिस्टेंस रहेगा उसका हमारे कमर्शियल ऑफिस से?
सर आप गेट से निकलेंगे और सामने आपको माजीवाड़ा मेन रोड पे आपको माजीवाड़ा स्टेशन आ जाएगा.
Great.
So
So it's,
in terms
Hardly
of
50 मीटर.
distance, sorry, I just
50
started. In
मीटर.
terms of distance, it's about 600 meters. That's a 3-minute walk.
yes, great. तो कोई भी आज के टाइम पे अगर हम थाने में देखेंगे, नो गुड कमर्शियल ऑफिस स्पेसेस नियर मेट्रो. So
Absolutely.
really it will be great advantage for all our investors and for all our customers. So one more question is coming, and when we are giving possession of our commercial projects?
So RERA date is December 31st December 22.
Okay.
22 is the RERA date. So we will be delivering phase 1, which we have registered up to 11th story. We are expecting certain change in terms of permission. We are expecting we might go up to 13 or 14 floors also. So we expect that project to get delivered by June, July 22, and the remaining 3 floors we'll be able to deliver by December.
And Mr. Agarwal is asking when construction will start.
Construction has already started in full swing. Excavation was completed almost 6 months back. Foundation is at the completion stage. We will be able to complete plinth level in probably you can consider by November, December, we'll be able to complete the plinth level also.
Okay. So, and already we received a couple of questions and we are bound on time. So I will pick last question, and after this, we will close this webinar. Yes, after this webinar, our sales team will connect with all our customers to answer each and every query. So last question is coming from Mr. Raju, and he's asking when we can visit the site, because we are in lockdown, and if we want to understand projects in detail, so how we can.
So, sir, we had started the, so in Unlock 1, we were completely operational. We were taking care of all these measures, safety and precautionary measures at site. But due to the change in the lockdown rules, we are under lockdown right now for next 10 days. We will be again back at site and fully operational during this particular period. If somebody would like to connect with us, we are just a call away. We can definitely arrange a Zoom call, a WhatsApp call, a team meeting, whichever is suitable, whichever time, because it's very easy to explain the project right now in this lockdown. Also, we can definitely do the negotiation also face to face out here, and we can close the deal. And I would say deals are happening in the market. That's whoever wants to grab the opportunity, this is the time. You can definitely go for the real estate investment, because it has not depreciated. Real estate always appreciates. So that is one of the you can consider highlight.
Mr. Agarwal, same way we can schedule the meeting for your family also, and you can we can do face-to-face discussion when we will schedule meeting for one-to-one, right? So because this is the webinar, so there is some limitations. Attendees can't on the video, and but yes, when we will schedule the meeting one-to-one, they can interact. You can interact with the closing manager live. So I think are we already started. In Shed, if I am not wrong. Yes, Mr. Piyush, can we do a one-to-one presentation because customers can't wait for 10 days, because if they want to.
Absolutely. Just immediately after the webinar, whenever you want, we can block the calendar. We are always there, irrespective of the time difference. Even if it's an international customer or domestic, we're always available there.
So I want to explain the process. If there is any changes, Mr. Piyush, you can correct me. So for all the customers who are attending this webinar, if you are interested, you can drop a mail on same email. You got the invitations, and you also got the our support team numbers, Mr. Ravinder, Mr. Nishan, and you can also reply on WhatsApp also. They can arrange a meeting immediate. But yes, our sales team also will connect with you. And as per your timing, as per your availability, we will fix the meeting with the closing manager of Shed Developer, and we'll discuss about the opportunity, and we will fulfill your requirement. If you understand, if you like the opportunity, you can grab it.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, Mr. Piyush and Umesh, for giving
Thank you.
time.
Piyush,
and thanks to all our customers for
Can
attending
we
this
try
webinar.
to play that video once again?
Yes,
Synergy
yes.
video which was missed out.
I am playing it. I am playing
Okay,
it.
sure.
Which video you want? You want?
The second one. The second one.
Second one. Okay, I'm playing it.
Mukesh, do you want me to play?
Yeah, I am playing it, sir.
Okay.
Yes. This video, can I play it?
Not visible though.
Not visible.
Start कीजिए sir.
Yeah, this one.
This now clear?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
I think that this should be it.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so very much. Thank you.
Thank you everyone. Thank you.